If you're a landscape painter, you would just love this place. This is the Outer Hebrides. There's just all these rocks that have all sorts of colors on them. There are all sorts of unique birds flying around right now, making lots of noises. And there's a big beach over there. It arcs its way over, half crescent shape, and it's got some wispy, let's move over there for a second, wispy sand dune grass. Really exciting place to be in the world. Very unique, very isolated, very quiet, except for the nature. And the nature, rather than the people, are the ones who make all the noise here. You can really kind of let yourself just get lost in it and enjoy all the fruits of the natural world and all the colors within it, such as these rocks and then the mossy kind of grass that just simply clings to the top of it and nestles in between these rocks. It's another scenic shot.